Hello, Chef John Gallagher at the Restaurant School at Walnut Hill College, and today we'll be making fresh fruit cheesecake. Now, one of the things I've always been asked by my students, what's the difference between a New York cheesecake and a California cheesecake? Answer simple. California cheesecake has a little bit of extra eggs into it and not as much heavy cream, so it's a lot lighter, a lot fluffier. In our mixer today, we're going to be adding 1 pound, 14 ounces of cream cheese. I'm going to blend that up really well, get it nice and soft, and then I'm going to add 6 ounces of granulated sugar. Once it's all creamed up and nice and light, I'm going to be adding 1 ounce of cornstarch to it. After that, I'll be adding 3 whole eggs and 2 egg yolks. And again, mix it in real well. After you've mixed it for a few minutes and it's nice and creamy, then you're going to add into it 1/2 cup of heavy cream. Now, our finished mix should be nice and creamy, nice and light, smooth. Once your cheesecake mix is done, you're then going to be able to bake them off. Now, today we have a cake pan. It's a 7-inch cake pan, and I've taken a little bit of sweet cookie dough. Any cookie dough will do. Roll it out really nice and thin, place it into the bottom of your pan, and bake it off. Make sure it's cooled off really nice, then you'll be able to add your cheesecake batter. Now the cheesecake batter, I'm just going to pour right on top of it. Make sure the batter is nice and level, and it's ready for the oven. So place this into a 300-degree oven with the steam bath, and it'll come out just beautiful. So this is our finished cheesecake. Once it comes out of the pan, to top off the cheesecake or to finish the cheesecake, we'll have some nice fresh fruits. I'm going to put a little bit of strawberries on top, a little bit of the blueberries on top, some mango, all right, and a little bit of kiwi because I like the green and how it breaks up some of the colors. I'm then going to take a little bit of raspberry sauce here, and I'm just going to put a little bit off to the side, only because it's nice to have that little tartness in there to go along with the sweetness of the cheesecake. So this has been a fresh New York-style cheesecake.